Good morning, dear students, and it's good to see you. Welcome back to your EVS class. As you all know, we have been completing with some chapters in the past, which has really helped us to groom ourselves, learn the manners, learn how to eat, the correct style of eating, and everything. Today, we are going to go ahead with a new topic, which is shelter. You guessed it right. Look at the pictures on the screen. Now, what is a shelter? A shelter can be any place we live at, we are living in, and different places across the globe, which means across the world, have different shelters as well. So, dear students, today what we are going to go ahead and do is learn about shelter, solve a worksheet, and even enjoy a beautiful art integrated activity on how to make a home. So first, let us go ahead with reading worksheet for the day, and then we'll come back to our art integrated activity. For this, open page number 4343 shelter, write today's date, which is 10.11.2020, and let us go ahead. I hope you've kept your pencils ready with you. So keep it handy. Okay, handy is in your hand. We all need a place to live in. Such places are called houses. A house gives us shelter from heat, cold, rain, winds, and storm. Underline heat, cold, rain, winds, and storm. STORMS, storms. It keeps us safe from animals and thieves. Underline the word thieves. THIEVES, thieves. Now, what are we learning here? What we are learning is the place that we require or we are living in is not something which is not a necessity. It is important for us to have a place to live, right? Along with that, it is also important that we are saved from various things like heat, cold, rain, water, storms, even animals and thieves. So, for this reason, living in a safe place like home is important. Okay. Dear students, we will be having 2 videos. So, in the next video, I will go ahead and share the worksheet with you all. So, please see that video as well. Okay. Now, different types of houses. People make different types of houses. Some houses are big and some are small. Different types of houses are built with different materials. So, looking at the condition and the requirement for people to have the houses, different houses and different styles are there. Some houses are big, whereas some houses are small. A permanent, underline the word permanent, or a pakka, PUCCA, pakka house is made up of bricks, cement, steel and glass. You can see it here where my cursor is pointing. This house is called a pakka house. Why? Because it is made up of bricks. Like you and I are all living in pakka house. Mostly people in living in city, who have all the necessities required to live, they live in a pakka house. Pakka houses are strong, They are found in towns and cities, like I just shared with you. A temporary or a kacha house is made of mud and straw. A temporary or kacha house is made up of mud and straw. As you can see here, these are called kacha houses. Okay, Kuchcha. They are found in villages. Mostly people living in the village, they live in these houses. Houses may also have sloping roofs like this, right? We find these houses in the hills where, like this one, where it rains or snows a lot, so that the snow should not get accumulated or gathered together on the rooftop. That's why they have sloping roofs. These roofs help the rainwater or snow to slide off. Page number 44. Can you see a pakka house, a kacha house, a house with a sloping roof? Let us look at some other different types of houses from around the world. What are they? One is a houseboat. If you've ever been to Kashmir on the Dal Lake, you have a beautiful houseboat. An igloo, which is found in cold places, made up of ice. And a house on stilts, again, mostly found near beaches, you know. So these houses are kept on, they're made on stilts so that the water does not damage it too much, and people can live nicely. So we will only do reading till here. Now what I want us to do is make that house that we were talking about for our art integrated activity. You can see this paper in Neha ma'am's hand. You need to have this much big paper. Okay. I may also want to make it more of a square shape, which you would have received with your drawing material. What you have to do is fold this inside equally, like this. Like it should be divided equally and folded inside. So please make it like this. If you can see, yes, nicely folded, correct. Now the side that is open, you have to bend it and move it like this. If you can see, it becomes a square thing like this. Something like this is what we are going to make. And let's see what we do next. Now, my dear children, when you folded it half, it has a middle line, right? You have to again fold it more like this so that it looks like this square, okay? Once the square appears, from this side, you have to press it a little outside, and from the other side as well, you need to press it. It looks like your house, and your little house is ready. So follow it properly, okay? And then make your home. All right? Let's try to move to the worksheet for the day. Let me try to go ahead and move for the worksheet. Okay. Now here it says environmental studies, shelter, worksheet number 3. You have to write the section where and the name where. So here write the section E and write the, kindly write your name. Okay, wonderful. Question number 1. Match the animals with their homes. So this should be fun. This looks like a dog house, so we'll match it with a dog house. This is what? A nest. Who lives in the nest? A bird. A den is a place. Again, these are all shelters of animals. When we will move ahead, we will read this also. And a fish lives in a pond. We move down. Choose the correct answer. All houses look same or different? They look different. A car, B1, a car or a house gives us shelter from heat, cold, rain, wind and storm, which is a house. Unscramble the given word and fill in the blanks. To live in it, people make it of different sizes, types, and using different materials. It is a house. So always first put a tick as I have taught you, and then write HOUSE, house. A house gives us dash from rain, heat, wind, storm, and cold. The topic name is shelter. That is what it is talking about. SHELTER, shelter. Make a house by paper folding and paste it. So this house that you all have made and I have shown you, please share it and paste it on the worksheet. It is very easy, so you should be doing it. I will be seeing you in the next class. You can even add a door to your house. You can add a window to your house and make it nicely. Okay. Till then, be safe. I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye.